In Level 1, Heavy Industry Planning Fundamentals, we're shifting gears from theory to practice, applying your knowledge to real-world scenarios. Our comprehensive series includes 5 courses in 1 lab designed to challenge and elevate your skills. Here's what to expect. Before Planning Begins introduces the pre-pack systems methodology, basic job package design, and safety integration. Job package assembly pre-work covers field walks, drawing markup, and work package photography. Job Planning Fundamentals Part 1, detailed planning, focuses on estimating and creating executable job plans. Job Planning Fundamentals Part 2, Materials Management, teaches effective bill of materials creation and materials coordination. Job Planning Fundamentals Part 3, Job Package Management, explores quality control, package tracking methods, and effective distribution best practices. Job Planning and Package Assembly Lab brings it all together in an interactive skill testing activity. Whether you're new or experienced, you'll enhance your ability to complete pre-planning activities, assemble comprehensive work packages, prepare for procurement, scheduling, and execution, and contribute to your company's bottom line. Your success as a planner depends on following standard work in both process and practice. Remember, an effective plan is like building a pyramid. To be successful, each block is stacked with the right effort, quality, and the right timing. Are you ready to elevate your planning skills? Let's build your planning expertise block by block.